fueled by supply chain disruptions and the Russia-Ukraine conflict. Soaring prices are making life increasingly difficult for Hungarians. Some chose to protest while others mild closing their businesses.
A pékáru árak közelmúltban 200 forinttal nőtt. Amit a legjobban visznek, az a kenyér, az alapélelmiszer. Ugye az emberek kevesebbet esznek, kevesebb a megrendelés, ugye visszaesnek a pékáruk, ezek a finom pékáruk, a sütemények, mindent ugye az emberek próbálnak spórolni, és mi is spórolnak.
Mivel ez azért jelentősen drágult itt minden, ezért inkább csak kenyeret meg kiflit szoktunk most már vinni.
The bakery, founded decades ago by Mara's late father, means a lot to Mara's family. Even so, she now considers selling the small shop.
Nem biztos, hogy tudjuk üzemeltetni a pékséget és az üzletet.
Amid the price hikes, some took to the streets in Hungary to protest. Last week, angry demonstrators blocked access to two bridges of the capital.
Próbálunk bizakodni, és ezért vagyunk kint minden nap.
To lessen the burden of inflation, Hungary's government capped the prices of 6 basic food items in the middle of January and also decided in May to impose $2.2 billion extra profit taxes for 2022 and 2023 to curb inflation. But the measures had little effect. Official figures show the annual inflation reached 11.7% and food prices increased by 22.1% in June year-on-year.